Oh, we got a fish on. Oh no, it came off.
Damn.
Wait, is this a fish or a crawdad? Oh no, it is a fish.
Papa got a fishing.
Is that a carp again? It's a carp.
It's a carp again?
Yeah. All right, guys, we got a carp. Pretty sure we got to release this guy, so let's just bring him down here. Oh no. Oh no. Oh shoot. See if I can grab him. All right, buddy. I know. There you go. Oh. I don't know if you're allowed to keep carp. I don't think you're allowed to keep it. What? Yeah. All right, let's go for another one. So usually we're used to catching trout out here, rainbow. But the last couple times I've been here, I've been catching carp. So yeah, I think you're allowed to keep them right now. So gotta release that guy. We're just throwing another worm on. All right, let's go for it. Yo, I don't know what's up with this. I just got another carp.
You caught a carp?
Yeah.
Threw him back?
Yeah.
Is it a nice thing?
I don't think you're allowed to keep them, bro. Oh, that's not good. Got a bite? Oh, that's a good guy. Don't tell me you let it go. Come on, man. I could feel that guy. That was a good one. It's alright, we're gonna send it right back to him. Just let it go there, sink down a little. Gotta get under this thing. That's where they're hiding. Under here. So we got that part down. Make sure not to just get it under this thing. There we go. Now we're under it. Now we just wait. There we go. Got a bite. It's just a wait. Don't rush it. Let's see what happens. See if he goes for it. It's either a crawdad, but it doesn't feel like a crawdad. It feels like a fish on there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but Getting bite after bite here. Yep, there we go. Oh yeah. It's a fish. What is this? There we go. Got a rainbow. Come this way. Don't get snagged. Let's go this way. Come on there. I don't know why I just don't fish from here. Alright, come on, buddy. Come on. Beautiful rainbow. Alright, give me a sec, guys. I'm gonna try to get this guy's hook off as safely as possible, but there you go. Beautiful rainbow. Alright guys, after a while we got this guy on a stringer. The hook was just way too deep in there, so the limit is 5 out here, so we're just gonna keep this guy. Alright, we're back at it. Let's see what else is down here. There's a lot of crawdads down here. We cast a little further out down here. We just wanted to go under down here. Yeah? They're top feeding. So you'll get one. Getting bites. Here goes another bite. Let's give him a second until he really takes it. Ah, too soon. Took the bait. Hey guys, we're back at a new spot, but we got a fish on. See if we can get him in. Let's go! Oh yeah, oh! Damn, he was on there for like 3 minutes. I reeled him all the way from down there to here, and right as he got in front of me, let it go.
From downtown?
Yeah.
What are you using?
Worm? Manuk has a fish on. He's about to reel it in. Net. Nice fish.
It's a cute.
There he is. Nice. Alright guys, we're headed to the next spot, but Ojimanuk here did really good at this spot. Beautiful. You guys see the cows out there? There's one right there. Just hanging out. Alright, it's gonna be a new spot. We're gonna try it out. This looks nice. Hey buds. Feels like a bite. Let's see. It's gotta be patient. Guys, thank you for joining me. I gotta cut it short. My battery's gonna be dying here soon. And this is the only one I have for now, but yeah, thanks for joining me. Just gonna fish a little bit more, a couple more hours, and then call it, head back home. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing these more consistently. If you guys enjoyed it, just stay tuned. More to come. See you guys.